Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2024 Ford Mustang EcoBoost Premium. This vehicle has 315 horsepower with a 2.3 liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder. You also have a 10-speed automatic transmission. This is the convertible, and you have a pretty nice backup camera, and I like the screen. It's a big screen, so this gauge cluster and screen setup look pretty cool. You have heated and ventilated seats, which is nice. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And then the gauge cluster theme is kind of cool. This is like the theme of, like, it says like the 1960s or 70s theme, which is pretty nice. It is pretty cool for sure. So if you hit instrument cluster, you can change the screen, or wait. Anyways, I forgot how to get there, but I like this gauge cluster. It's really cool. But so we'll just keep it on there for the drive. But let's walk around this Mustang. And I like the little chime. It's like a little taps. I have a black exterior on this car. Dual outlet exhaust. Here's the trunk space, pretty good. Looks pretty nice. Let's get this car out on the road and see how it drives. Nice center console storage as well. All right. You don't have paddle shifters in here. I thought it would have paddle shifters, but it does not. Flat bottom steering wheel is cool. Pretty quick. Oh yeah, that's how you get to it. You have to hit this little Mustang button, and then you can change it the way the colors and the cluster theme and all that. This thing's actually pretty quick. Very effortless acceleration. I like the 10-speed. Seats are comfortable too. Change the steering feel by hitting that button, which is cool. I like the configurability that this car has. That's pretty good. Like, you get to change all these things in the gauge cluster and your steering feel, all the modes. So I like that Mustang. has that for the driver. Allows the driver to change things to their liking. And this shifter has been around in Mustangs for a while. Car feels nice and balanced overall. Suspension is a little bit rough for sure. You will feel these bumps and everything, but at the end of the day, it is a Mustang, so shouldn't come as a surprise. But overall, it's a nice driving car. I really like the interior. I think Mustang did a great job with that, and his new steering wheel is really cool as well. Those are the daytime running lights. That look pretty good. Overall, this is a nice Mustang convertible right here. And you can change the drive modes, by the way, over here. Sport, track. I like how you can change the modes with the steering wheel. Not many cars actually offer that. And there are a lot of modes. Those graphics look really cool too. So a very cool car actually. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice vehicles like this Mustang.